How to add favorite channels on Hulu. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add your favorite channels on your Hulu account. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So if you guys didn't know, Hulu is an online streaming platform where you can watch different kind of movies, TV shows, series, and even cartoons for children. So let's see how you can add favorite channels on your account. So the very first thing that you want to do is open up your Hulu account and make sure to log on to your account. And your home page should look something like this. So on top you will see all of the shows and movies that you have been streaming, and here at the top of your screen you will have different tabs like Home, Live TV, Movies, Sports, My Stuff, and Hubs. So you basically want to tap on the Hub section to check out all of the available channels on Hulu. So you just tap on Hubs, and after that all of these channels will load up on your screen. And once you find the channel that you want to add to your favorites, so for example, let's say here if I want to add Cartoon Networks as my favorite channel, just tap on the three dots right besides the Cartoon Network and then tap on this Add to My Stuff. So once you do that, you will find all of the added channels on this My Stuff, and it will be added to your favorites. So that's how you basically add favorite channels on Hulu. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.